Now today we will talk about different types of charts used in India. In India, we use different charts in different regions. But main charts that we use are North Indian chart and South Indian chart. The difference between North Indian chart and South Indian chart is that in North Indian chart, houses are fixed and Rasis keep changing. While in South Indian chart, Rasis are fixed, but the house and the Lagna keeps changing. Now we will take an example to study this. In North Indian chart, this is the Lagna. This is the first house and it is known as Lagna. Lagna we denote by two lines. But as it is fixed, so it is not required to show these two lines. Now, if I put one here, then this Kundli becomes Aries Lagna. So, by putting numbers, we can decide what is our Lagna. For example, if I put here 5, then in 5, it is Leo. So, the Kundli becomes of Leo Lagna. Now, instead of 5, if we put 8, then the Lagna of this Kundli becomes Scorpio. So, this is the first house. Houses are fixed and signs keep changing. The signs you have to remember in this order only. The number itself shows the Rasi. For example, 10th number shows 10th Rasi. 10th Rasi, 10th Lagna. So 10th is Capricorn. So this is Capricorn Rasi and Capricorn Lagna. Now, don't get confused with the natives Rasi. It's just about Lagna right now. So, houses are fixed. This is Lagna, first house. This is second house. This is third house. This is fourth house, fifth house, sixth house, seventh house, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th house. Now, suppose we are talking about, we have put a 9 here. So, the next number will be 10 here, second house number, 11, 12, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if we put 7 here, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Now, if someone asks you, what is the Rasi in 7th house? So, first we will see what is the 7th house. Lagna, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7th house. Now, in 7th house, it is written 3. It means Gemini Rasi. In 10th house, it is written 6. So, in 10th house, which is the Rasi? Virgo Rasi. Similarly, for all other Rasis, we will say that this is Scorpio, Libra, Leo, like this only. So this is the North Indian chart where bhavas are fixed and Rasis keeps changing. Now we will talk about South Indian chart. In South Indian chart, Rasis are fixed. Every Rasi is assigned a fixed house. This is Aries Rasi. Second, Taurus. Third, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. It is fixed. Rasis are fixed. The Lagna keeps changing. This is Aries Rasi, Taurus Rasi, like that. These are fixed and the Lagna keeps changing. Now, suppose the Kundli is of Libra Lagna. So, we will put 7 here in North Indian style. In South Indian style, we will see the Libra Lagna and we will put 2 lines here. These 2 lines denote Lagna. So Rashis will remain fixed and Lagna keeps changing. Now suppose it's a Leo Lagna Kundali. So Leo is here. So we will put two lines here. So this will denote that this is a Leo Lagna Kundali. Similarly, if Aquarius, then we will put two lines across Aquarius. The counting remains same. The only difference comes of Lagna. So that is the difference between North Indian chart and South Indian chart. In North Indian chart, bhavas are fixed, Rashis keeps changing. In South Indian chart, Rashis are fixed and Lagna keeps changing. So that is all for today. In next videos, we will talk about each Rashis and each Lagna separately. So thanks for watching this video.